So I wanted to make a quick video to explain how the R in the middle and at the end of the word are different than the R at the beginning of the word. This is because the vowel that comes before the R impacts the way our mouth is formed when we say the R. For example, when we say R, our mouth starts open and then it closes slightly. When we say our mouth changes as well. So for example, beard, you can see how the vowel is moving two different positions, okay? So that when we say a word such as air, you can also see how the mouth is moving from the A to the such as care. So the vowel in front of it is going to impact the way that the R is produced. Another example would be So when we say I, our mouth is open. Our mouth closes slightly and our lips round and get pushed forward, such as iron. The last example I wanted to point out was This one is tricky because our lips are rounding when we say O, and then when we say they kind of open up and then our tongue curls back. So that one would be like bored. You can see my lips kind of pop open from the O to the R. And if we hear a vowel such as bod and you hear the instead of the it's because our tongue is flat at the bottom of our mouth and we need our tongue to curl up a little bit more. So when we say bored, you can see the tongue needs to go up as well as the lips need to push forward at the same time. All right, so I hope that helps a little bit to understand how R in the middle and at the end of the word are a little bit more difficult than at the beginning because of the vowel that comes before it. So in practicing, if you have to slow it down, kind of pause slightly between the vowel and the R, and that should help with the production of the R in the middle and final placement of a word.